Yo, good day everyone. Look at this. The time now is 4:53 in the morning, and this is how much people are here in the airport here in Ninoy Aquino International Airport in the Philippines. Unbelievable. Too much. Yeah. Everybody wants to go somewhere else. Oh, I get down from the bus down there underground. Yes, the train station. No, yeah, bus terminal down there. Yeah, and yeah, I'm using the Google Map to reach the hotel that I booked, where I'm going to stay for 2 nights. And I reached this. Yeah, this kind of building. I saw it, I read it, but I don't remember the actual name of the place. And it is near here at the Hotel Monterey. Oh, I just checked in from the hotel. Yeah, it's actually a capsule hotel, so there's no proper place to put things. There's just a locker. And I'm very hungry, that's why I'm walking around here. And I realized that this place is actually kind of the very much commercial area of the Osaka. There's so many shops and restaurants. Yeah, but I am hesitant to go into the restaurant. Yeah, I don't know how the systems work, and so I may be going to McDonald's. It's just over there. Yeah, and lots of young people. They look very passionista. And look at this. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, beautiful. It feels different just being here. And you see that car? Yeah, kind of a small van. I've seen a lot of food outlet, but the standing one, kind of a takeaway. Yeah, I prefer to eat the one sitting down, relax, easy, enjoying the meal. I suddenly googled for a Filipino restaurant, and there is actually one in here. Yeah, the name is Malate Asian Filipino restaurant. I like the burger at Shake Shack, but yeah, I prefer rice. Oh, there are more people in here. Yeah, this looks like a shopping street. So there are also something like this. It's normal. Too much is not normal. Yeah, in this area there are many kind of a one-way road similar to this one. Let's check the menu in here. Oh, expensive. Yeah, it looks expensive. Look at this. 3,300. But actually, if you convert it to Australian dollars, it's affordable. found the place, but looks like they are closed. Yeah, I'm not sure. 28 there. Look at this, the whole building. Yeah, LCD. And I see that there's a lot of people here. So this is like a kind of main attraction here. Look at that, down there, lots of people. Oh, that one is kind of a Ferris wheel. Slowly rolling around. And there are some people on every circle carriage. Yeah, I'm hungry. Still looking for a place to eat. Oh, let's go at this small alley. Oh, the food is actually more expensive in the area like this. Yeah, more expensive than the regular road. Amazing, very colorful. Look at this restaurant. Yeah, the people, they are queuing in line. It says 90 minutes waiting. Yeah, this place is really for the foodies. Yeah, everywhere you go, there are restaurants. Okay, let's go this one. Ready? Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's the one. The name is Kamukura, soup with noodles. Yeah, it's delicious actually. But I didn't finish the noodles because, you know, if I eat too much, I'm going to be sick. But I finished the chicken and the fried rice. Yeah, delicious. And it costs 1,620 yen. I actually have 1,500 pesos. And then when I get to the airport here in Osaka, yeah, I changed it to the exchange center and I got 2,000 yen plus some coins. I did not come here for the food because, you know, I already tasted almost all the tasty food, yeah, of different cuisines. So also not really a big fan of yeah, of any cuisine actually. And it is started to be colorful here already. Looks, yeah, look at the street. Lots of lights, like Christmas lights and decoration and neon lights. Yeah, even although we're going to the other side. This is like Chinatown, but a better version. Amazing. Yeah, I just took a selfie, but you know, to be honest, I'm actually more shy to do selfie than vlogging, you know, than recording like this. Oh, that's where I went a while ago. Oh, now I realize this is actually the very kind of very popular one in TikTok, or yeah, a short kind of video where they do take a photo of that guy, Glyco. And this walkway actually reminds me a little bit of the one in, where is that, in Rome? Yeah, in Italy. Similar, along the river. Actually, I've seen a lot of kabayan, Filipino, along the way. Yeah, I'm not going to do something like what they are doing. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, so many people here. You know, people doing things like that, they are happy people, you know. They appreciate life. Goodness. Spider. Traffic, so I'll just throw the hospital bucket. Look at this. This is actually a very big Starbucks, but yeah, I don't see the, I don't know where to order. Oh, now I understand. Yeah, there is actually a ground floor where you can order the coffee. Because I go directly to the second floor, and yeah, I walk around because it's a very big place. I did not see any, you know, counter to or barista. Very funny. I am now going back to my hotel because yeah, I'm running out of battery.